If you're tired of juggling frying pans, boiling pots, and multiple kitchen gadgets just to make breakfast, you're definitely not alone. Whether you're rushing out the door in the morning or meal prepping for the week, cooking eggs can take more time and effort than it should. That's where the Hamilton Beach 6 in 1 electric egg cooker comes in. Today, we're finding out whether this all-in-one breakfast appliance is actually worth buying or just another gadget that ends up collecting dust. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The Hamilton Beach Egg Bites Plus is designed for busy families, meal preppers, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone who enjoys eggs regularly but want a faster and more convenient way to prepare them. Instead of buying separate appliances for boiling eggs, poaching, or making omelets, this compact machine combines several functions into one countertop device. It promises to simplify breakfast while giving you plenty of cooking options without taking up much space. At first glance, the design feels clean, modern, and practical. The gray finish blends nicely into almost any kitchen, and its compact footprint means it doesn't dominate your countertop. The appliance feels lightweight but surprisingly sturdy, with parts that fit together securely. The included egg tray, poaching tray, egg bite mold, measuring cup, and clear lid all feel thoughtfully designed, making it easy to switch between different cooking styles without confusion. One feature that immediately stands out is the built-in 5.25-inch nonstick skillet, which adds a level of versatility that many competing egg cookers simply don't offer. Using the appliance is refreshingly straightforward. For boiled eggs, you simply add the recommended amount of water using the included measuring cup, place the eggs into the tray, and let the cooker do the work. The same simple process applies to egg bites and poached eggs. Instead of constantly checking a timer or worrying about overcooking, the machine takes much of the guesswork out of preparing breakfast. For people with busy schedules, that convenience can make a noticeable difference during hectic mornings. The performance is impressive in everyday use. It can prepare up to 9 soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs, or cook 4 egg bites or 4 poached eggs in around 10 minutes. The built-in nonstick skillet also makes it easy to prepare scrambled eggs, fried eggs, omelets, or even brown breakfast sausage. Rather than being limited to one specific cooking method, you can use it to create a complete breakfast with minimal effort. The nonstick coating helps food release easily, which not only improves cooking but also makes cleanup much less frustrating afterward. Another advantage is how well it fits into a daily routine. The controls are simple enough that almost anyone can use the appliance without reading a lengthy manual. The dishwasher safe trays and lid reduce cleanup time, while the nonstick skillet usually wipes clean with very little effort. Instead of washing multiple pots and pans every morning, you're dealing with just one compact appliance, making breakfast feel far less like a chore. Of course, no kitchen appliance is perfect. While the skillet is a welcome addition, its compact size means it's best suited for single servings or small portions rather than cooking breakfast for a large family all at once. Since the appliance focuses primarily on egg-based meals, it may not replace other countertop appliances for people who rarely cook eggs. It's also important to follow the recommended water measurements to achieve the best results, although the included measuring cup makes that process very easy. Overall, the Hamilton Beach 6 in 1 electric egg cooker delivers exactly what it promises. It's easy to use, versatile, simple to clean, and capable of preparing several different egg dishes with very little effort. If you're someone who eats eggs regularly, enjoys meal prepping, or simply wants faster and more consistent breakfasts, this appliance is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and check the link in the description to see the latest pricing and current deals before they change. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.